Hey pretty girls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. Today we're going to be doing my baby girl Zanaya's hair in the viral protective style, half cornrows and half quick weave, or half cornrows and half sew, whichever you prefer. But let me eat this up real quick. So first I separated her hair, and I don't want the cornrows to come far back, so as you can see I brought the back up a lot further so that when I lay the extensions they'll kind of fall over the cornrows. Then I just did two big cornrows at the front of her hair to keep the hair divided while I installed the back. Before I did her quick weave, I used some wild growth oil to moisturize her hair and her scalp. Now it's time to mold her hair. So first I braided her hair into two cornrows. I took the end of the first cornrow and connected it to the second cornrow. And then I took the end of the second cornrow and tucked it underneath of the loop. If your hair is really long, you may have to sew the braid down. So now I'm gonna take my black wig cap, put it over her head and cut the ears out. Now I'm going to apply some Robert's Bond Protective Shield to the back of her head using my dye brush. I actually ended up running out of that one, so I had to use a different brand of protective bond, but the point is that no glue will be on her hair. All of the products that I'm using is going to be listed in the description below. Once that was done, I applied some Got to Be Glue Freeze Hold Spray everywhere that I applied the protective bond, and then I set her under the dryer for about 20 minutes. Once it was dry and hard, I cut off all the excess cap. So now it's time to glue in her extensions, and for this install I'm just going to be using some shake and go hair that I got from the beauty supply store. Zanaya only leaves her hair in for about 2 weeks, so this will do. And of course I'm using 30-second Salon Pro hair glue. So notice how I'm laying my first track in a slight U shape across her nape. I'm going to continue to lay my tracks the same way, going in a U shape until I get to the top of her cap. Laying the hair this way will make it so that the hair will kind of fall towards the front over her braids. And that's the look we're going for. And I'm just going to let the video play so you can see exactly how it's done. Now I'm going to start filling in the middle, also going in a U shape. So right here I'm cutting even smaller pieces, and I'm still laying them in a U shape until I fill in this entire section. So I'm going to lay the last two pieces facing the opposite way, and I'm just going to flip it back so that you can't see any tracks. Now that we're done with the quick weave, it's time to do the cornrows. So right here, I'm just using my edge brush to brush out some baby hair, and then I'm going to separate the top of the hair into 3 sections. I'm doing this because of the style that I have in mind, but you could choose whatever style you want. I really like this pink lemon braiding gel. It smells really good, and it doesn't leave like the white residue. I'm going to do both of the sides like going at an angle, and I'm just going to kind of freestyle the middle. You're going to be able to see what I came up with at the end. But for those of you who don't know how to cornrow but would really like to do this style on yourself, you can always use an alternative method like flat twist. This is a beginner friendly method. It's super cute and it may take a lot less time to do. All you're basically doing is picking up hair and rolling it as you go. Then once you get to the end, just put a rubber band to secure it. Or an even easier method where you just part it, slick it back with some braiding gel and secure it with the rubber band at the end, and it is super cute. So now I'm putting some heat protecting serum on her edges so that I can curl her edges and she could do her own baby hair. Y'all, she will not let me or anyone else touch her baby hair. She has to do them by herself. So yes, this is all that I could do for her. And I'm going to use these really tiny curling irons so that I can curl the ends of her real hair so that it can blend with her extensions. You don't have to leave your ends out, but she wanted to leave hers out so that it could look more natural. All I'm doing is wrapping her hair around the curling iron. Right here, I'm just cutting a few layers in her hair, shaping her curls so that it gives it a little more body and it just looks a lot better. Sometimes when your hair is all one length, it just falls flat. It just doesn't give what it's supposed to give. Right here, I'm just blending her natural hair with her extensions. So you know we gotta finish our cornrows off by using a mousse, so I'm using a Supreme Hold Mousse by BTL. Then I wrapped it with 2 wrap strips and then blow dried it until it was completely dry. Last, she did her baby hair, of course. Then we finished off with some hair glosser for the shine, and this is the finished product. Y'all, this protective style looks so pretty on her. I think I want it next. This style is perfect for the heat in the summer and vacation because there's hardly any leave out. And she's giving very much doll baby right now. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to see more content like this. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video.